Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is the authors who are researchers and working as teachers is represented by number. Now if you look at the question, they have asked the authors who are researchers and working as teachers. That means you have to consider the overlapped portions of circle, triangle and square. Now look at the figure. In the figure you have to select such a number which is formed by overlapping circle, triangle and square. In that, I think the number 3 represents the overlapped portions of circle, triangle and square. Now look at this number 3. This number 3 is overlapped by circle, it is overlapped by triangle and it is overlapped by square. That means the 3 represents what? Authors who are researchers and working as teachers. Now therefore let us check the given options. The option 1 is 3 itself, therefore the option 1 is right. Well friends, now these kinds of problems are very simple. It requires only careful observation to solve such kind of questions. So try to solve such kind of problems as early as possible. We'll see some more number of problems.